Good morning.
Good morning and good morning. So we're going to Cathay Pacific, already checked in online, so let's head on through security and enjoy our 4-hour flight to Tokyo.
Yay.
Bye Hong Kong and hello Tokyo.
Yay.
Yay, done. Let's do it. I didn't know there was a pool here. So we need to get to gate 67. We've only just passed 25. How do you feel about the walk?
I won't ever feel about a walk.
That's a fair point. Only at gate 31 now after all that hyperlapsing. Let's just, you can skip this bit, we'll get right there. Right? And if you're out of breath again. And go. We made it. Yes, it worked. We've got the seat between us. So far, I've got the seat between us. These are really comfy seats. They're like permanently reclined. Yeah, quite nice. Very excited, another country to tick off the list. No idea what we're up to. Maybe in the strong teams. Emma has insisted to take the camera every now and then. She remembers, so I can be on film as well. Hi. Okay. Let's put it away now. Literally rushed to the train.
She told us we could make the train that was leaving in 3 minutes, and we made it.
We did, just. Our bags are too heavy. By our, I mean her bags are too heavy.
23 kilos.
Almost threw my back out putting that thing up.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, can't be bothered filming right now. We'll see if we get to the hotel. Cool.
Later.
Bye. So I told Emma that the room's going to be small here, and what does she do? Bring this massive bag. Well, look. Where are these going to go?
You're the one who booked the hotel. Don't blame me.
Unless you wanted a sex hotel, this is the best we're going to get. Okay, that's it. Good night. I don't want to do any more today. I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay, bye. He meant to say bye. Yeah, bye. Bye. What are you doing, babe? Bidet.